Atom, the tiniest unit of all matters, with an enormous impact, is a step toward the great discovery that has changed the course of our world since the World War II. In 1953, the United States of America initiated a project, Atoms for Peace, which stimulated the development of atomic energy for peaceful purposes around the globe. In 1956, the government of Thailand signed the agreement on the use of nuclear energy with the government of the United States and appointed the Atomic Energy Committee with the Office of Atoms for Peace, with the Office of Atoms for Peace as its secretary. This is considered as a starting point for Thailand to fully open up for the nuclear and radiation technology and to develop domestic nuclear capabilities on par with its international peers. The Office of Atoms for Peace is responsible for licensing the use or possession of nuclear material, radioactive material, as well as the utilization of atomic energy. In addition, the office is in charge of monitoring, accessing, and inspecting the licensees to ensure that all operations are safely performed. There is a 24/7 network on radiation surveillances and emergency notification. All is for the usage of atomic energy in a safe and efficient manner. There is a place where all scientists, academic partners, and staff work together under the same mission, which is to regulate the use of atomic energy, to the safety and to create public awareness on nuclear science and technology. This place is also a center for collaborations relating to nuclear energy, both domestically and internationally. Every unit works harmoniously, much like tiny welded atoms, which lead to a great creation for benefits of all Thais. OAP is the sole entity in Thailand whose main responsibility is to regulate the use of atomic energy, to carry out international commitments and to join forces with ASEAN in the area of safety, security, and safeguards. Issue licenses to organizations or persons who import, export, produce, possess, or utilize special nuclear materials, atomic energy, X-ray machine, radioactive isotopes, and source materials. Dispatch agents to inspect nuclear and radiation facilities. Prepare for and respond to nuclear and radiation emergency accidents. The office is to prepare for emergency accidents, develop network and coordinate with relevant agencies to alleviate accidents relating to nuclear and radiation. In addition, functions in technical supports for regulating the use of atomic energy are performed by installing the radiation monitoring stations around the country, monitor radioactivity in the environment from water, soil, and meat samples, assess biodosimetry of workers, perform calibration for radiation detecting devices. Another significant function of OAP is to formulate the national policy on atomic energy, as well as to create understanding on nuclear science and technology by means of disseminating information to target groups, youth, students, and the public. Activities are, for example, a project on developing the Learning Center on Nuclear Science and Technology, Atomic Youth Camp and Exhibition. Another indispensable duty is to draft relevant laws, including the Act of Nuclear Energy, the Act of Anti-Nuclear Terrorism, and the Act of Protecting of Operations by the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, CTBT, and the Preparatory Commission for CTBT organization. We are a behind-the-scenes supporter who watches out for, develops regulation standards, and regulates with absolute commitment for Thailand, as it is embarking upon the world where nuclear energy is safely used for creating happiness and prosperity among Thai people.